Hey guys, welcome to the second series in our weekly vlog. So Sean has been doing a little bit of work on the RV. I actually haven't seen it at all yet, so I'm really excited to go and have a look. So you guys will be seeing it for the first time when I do too, but Sean has said there's quite a lot of difference already, so it'd be exciting to kind of see it as a almost blank canvas.
Yeah, so my dad's taken all the flooring out and then I've ripped out the seating and the seat belts that were on the steel framework that was tied into the chassis.
Quinn is really agitated to get outside because he loves going on the bus, don't you? Yeah, so every day we have problems with him trying to get outside to go on the bus, even though it's not actually that interesting at this moment, but he's just loves being over there, which is really nice. So we're bringing you to have a look. We've been looking at lots of YouTube videos. Sean stayed up really late last night watching lots of different American people's RVs, because obviously it's an American vehicle.
Bus conversions.
Yeah, bus conversions and that kind of thing. So we've been getting lots of inspiration for design, layout and all that kind of thing, right?
Yeah, bus conversions is probably the closest thing in size to what we have, I guess. Not as long, but similar. Okay. So it's quite good to watch those, isn't it? Yeah.
So we'll bring you to have a look to see what the progress is like. So yeah, come and have a look.
Do you want to go see the bus?
Yeah.
Bus.
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
It's like a workout game. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, it's so spacious, isn't it? Now that's all gone.
What's he doing?
Same thing he always does. Wow.
Wow.
Is your bed gonna hit me here, Brennan? Pretty slim.
Friend,
Slim. What are you doing?
make some lunch.
So yeah. Ready? Can we put that back? It's a bit noisy.
Yeah.
Okay, come here. So. Oh!
Nice one.
Look, he took this again. Just now.
Just put them in that bin. Quinn, in there for a minute.
It's dirty. Stop it. Stop. So after watching some of the videos last night, we've decided that we're actually going to keep all of the existing cupboards because they can be easily upstyled, right? With a bit of paint, change the handle, give them a nice clean inside, and then hopefully we'll save ourselves quite a bit of time by doing that, do you reckon?
Yeah, loads of time. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with them, they're fine. New handles and some paint. You just need to decide on a colour, that's the hardest part. Quinn, stop chiseling stuff.
Uh-oh, are you okay? This is not actually screwed into the ground. So what's going on there?
There's water damage here. Quite a lot of it. I'm gathering it's just coming in from where this guy's put in an external socket. It's super wet. And because we're parked kind of 2 wheels up on the footpath and 2 wheels on the road, van's like that sort of thing. So I'd say all the rain is just smashing in and coming in here. Hopefully that's only it, which is an easy fix.
Is that the only place where there's damp, or is this actual issues as well here?
No, that's all old old stuff. I'm guessing that's all from the bath.
Okay.
This is stuffed.
So do we have to rip all of this up as well?
I don't know, I could maybe cut it. Take out all that. Or just rip it all up and start again, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay. Fine. So
these are all the drawers from the wardrobe, which we might be able to put to use again in a new area. Because these are all perfect. These are all fine, and they're super lightweight as well.
cool.
Because this thing weighs 8 ton now, basically. So I guess once we kit it out and everything, and batteries and solar, leisure batteries and stuff, it's going to be a lot more. So we kind of need to be very cautious of the weight, don't we?
I'm sure you can sense that, like, it's always the same when we renovate houses. I jump to the design stage.
So we won't be getting a smeg fridge.
I always jump to the design stage, and he gets really angry because there's like so many other stages before that I maybe don't see.
Let's talk about the flooring and the roof then.
Okay. What else about the flooring and the roof? For the roof, some of those videos that we watched last night that had like wood.
In those buses though, it's a curved roof, not a flat. We've got a completely flat roof. Unlike the American school buses that have the rounded roof. So they've got like paneling all around, which looks really cool. But
do you not think that would look good in ours though?
Yeah, I know, it's just not going to be as interesting because it's not curved, it's just flat.
Can you make it curved?
No.
Why not? Just like make a little bit of an angle there.
What?
Well, this is where we'll like absolutely 100% have an argument, because every time we do any form of renovation, we like talk about divorce and all sorts. Oh, and we have to think about the upholstery. How do you say that word?
Upholstery.
Upholstery. I used to say upholstery because I'm not very good at pronouncing things.
That's a job you could do. Source where to do that and what we want.
Yeah, because we're going to keep the chairs.
I'd have to remove all the seats and we'll just take them to someone to do.
Okay, so my jobs are upholstery. Upholstery. Upholstery, and so you're gonna have to.
So we're gonna try and have to fix these over in here somewhere. Once this sofa's been removed, and build our little bench seat around there.
Yeah.
This floor is screwed. It's like cardboard. It's all been wet and flooded. Something flooded in this kitchen at one stage. So that's all going to have to be replaced as well. Awesome. So I've started pulling down all of these old shitty lights that are everywhere. This guy had so many random lights. So they're all going.
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. We have just arrived in Aberdeen Airport in Scotland.
Okay, so I've taken out this wardrobe that's gone. The next job to do is take out this wall for this bathroom, because it doesn't need to be this big. And we want to get some more space for the hallway and the bunk beds that the kids are going to be sleeping in on this side. So I will knock this wall out now. Okay, so I just finished ripping out a load of stuff, and I think it's time to go to the tip, because I need a bit of a break as well. It's a bit daunting now looking at this after what I've just ripped out. I'll just spin around so you can see. So, the wall for the bathroom I've ripped out. I'm going to leave that section there for now because it's got all the electrics for the thermostat and things like that, and I don't really know what's going on there, so I'll leave that for now. But that's all gone and we're looking really open now. I've got a lot of stuff to get rid of, so I'm going to get rid of that now, just so I've got a clean place. And then I'll come back and start again. I've also decided just to knock out all of the walls because it's just a hassle and they're on top of the particle board everywhere. And the particle board needs redoing in the entire bus basically. Right, I'm ripping up all this rotten particle board. And I've just found made an interesting discovery. It's the wheel.